Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can do transitions on TikTok. Transitions are generally the videos that you can see where you can smoothly go in and out from one scene to another scene pretty smoothly without seeing those cuts in the middle. It's pretty easy and it's getting really popular on TikTok. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, I'm going to give you just a couple of tips, and if you follow them, the transition is going to come up smoothly. First of all, you're going to launch up TikTok, okay? And then once you're in TikTok, you have your For You page over here. You're going to click on the plus icon over here in the middle, okay? Now from the plus icon, you're going to go onto the videos, maybe 15 seconds or something. Now from the video, I would recommend three things. First of all, your phone needs to be as you need to make it as stable as possible. Okay, now if I want as stable as possible, and one thing is that while you're shooting the video, if you want to transition from left to right, you're going to first photo the, let's say I want to take a picture of a painting and I want to transition to a next painting. You're going to keep holding the video on the first painting and then move the video a little bit to the left. Like, let's say this is the painting, and while I'm shooting, I'm going to move a little bit and then stop. Okay, now once I stop, okay, on the drop of the video, I am going once I stop, and then I am going to go on to the other painting and then go to the left a little bit and go to the right again. Okay, so as if I transitioned from this photo to this photo. Okay, this movement needs to be done. Okay, the same thing goes for up and down. If I want to make a transition up, it's up to a different, let's say I'm in a lake and I want to transition to a sea, I'm going to move the phone a little bit up, okay, and then stop, and then stop on the lake, for example. And if I want to come back to the sea, I'm going to go back down a little bit and then just take a shoot a little more upwards, okay, and then just a more calm way. Okay, now if you do these tips, it is going to be a smooth transition, and with good lighting and my tips, you're going to have a TikTok transition. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.